Welcome back to my channel. Today, Sven and I are going to show you how to create reels and save them in Canva. This is going to be a game changer for you. So then you're not using up any of your memory on your phone. You could create and bulk create most of your B-roll reels in Canva to where you're only having to download when you go to post on Instagram. Also even schedule it through Canva Scheduler. So let's get to it. Today is dissecting our 36 and under videos in Canva to save so it doesn't use up the memory on your phone, because if you do save drafts in your Instagram, it takes up memory on your phone. If you save the drafts in your camera log, it takes up memory on your phone. The best thing to do is keep your drafts in Canva. So, home screen, you could type in under templates, Instagram Reel, or just go to social media right here, and it's right here, Instagram Reel. You're going to create a blank document. And now we're going to add the video that we want, or you can use any of these cool things that you have. Okay. I want to use one of these templates because I think that they create great aesthetic. So I'm going to use this one right here. Okay. Once again, it's all based on keywords. But from here, I want to go to position, go to layers, and I'm going to delete this image video. I'm going to delete it. So now it's gone. Okay. Don't worry about the overlay. This is that overlay I was also telling you about. If you want to keep it there and change it, we can. But now I'm going to add my video to it. So I'm going to go to uploads. I'm going to upload one of my videos that we created. Okay. A lot of these are, I'm just going to try to find one that, there we go. We're going to upload this one. You're going to go to the smashed hamburger, set video as background, click the out again, smashed hamburger, extract audio, click the purple at the bottom and delete it. If you want to keep the overlay, you could keep it, or you could delete it, or you could change the overlay to one of your brand colors. However you want to do it. Change the transparency a little bit to make it darker, lighter, however you want. We're going to change, obviously, my font set. I'm going to go up here to the A, and it says text color underneath it. I'm going to change it. I want a brighter color. And down here, do you see how it says change all? This is a time saver. It's going to change, if it's asking me if I want to change everything that's yellow to the color I chose, and I do. This, I'm going to do the same thing, and it's going to pop up. Now, element colors change element colors, text colors change text colors. Okay, so you'll have to do it twice. So from here, I could type in whatever I need to type right here, whether it's a hook, how to clean up your Canva in 3 easy steps. And then I can adjust it however I want. Just like I said up here, you could go to effects. This effects tab is only for fonts. So I can make this an outline font. I can make it a curvy font. Obviously that won't work for that because it's too long. But that's where you could play with the different font sets and make it your own. Okay. So from there, I'm now going to dissect this into multiple different reels. I'm first going to start with 6 seconds. I'm then going to go to this purple highlight down here. It says on page 1. I'm going to duplicate page. From here, I'm going to drag it to the right and go to 12 seconds, and then push this to the right for, so it says 6 seconds. Now I have a different section of that video. I'm going to do this again. Duplicate page. Now I'm going to keep pulling it every 6 seconds out and just keep dissecting it this way. This is the easiest way I found it because, like I said yesterday, sometimes you will get super frustrated if you're trying to split the screen because your cursor will keep moving back and forth. So I just say do it this way. So now if we play these together, this one is a different frame, as you could tell, and it's going to jump to this one is a different frame, and it's going to keep going. So now you can make multiple pages like this. You could go in and change each one differently. So this one will be a different video one day, while this one I'm going to talk about 5 tips to search on Canva and change all my different hooks. So now I have 3 different reels that I can post throughout the rest of the month. Once again, you could go in and you can make a note on each one so you know exactly what date you're going to post it. You can make a note and you can change the title of each one. So then when you're over here to download it under share, you know exactly which page you're downloading for what day. And then all you have to do is download it, upload it as a reel into Instagram, and voila, you're ready to go. You have to type your caption and you're done. If you want to even save more time, I type my captions in the notes, so then I can just copy and paste my caption right here. So I'll type my whole Instagram caption in notes. So when I go to download it onto my phone, I can just copy those notes, paste it into my Instagram caption, and I'm good to go. So these are great time-saving tips for social media to share.